welcome to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you are a part of the Glam Fam. Today I am actually doing an unboxing of my new juicer. For those of you who know me, you know I love a juicer. This is probably I think the fourth one that I'm doing a review on my channel. So I will link the other juicers that I've reviewed in my description box. And yeah, let's get into it. Today we are talking about the Canoly Juicer. I did purchase this from Amazon, so I will link it below. It is a masticating juicer, Canoly JE73. The reason why I decided to get another juicer is because I've been using my Cuvings, which I love, but you have to feed it one thing at a time. So I was very interested in this juicer. I was really interested in I think it's called the Nama 3, but that one was like $500 or $600. It was between $400 to $600 or something like that. This one was under $200, and it has the large cup up here where you can put multiple fruits and vegetables in at one time, and you can pretty much walk away, and that's what I wanted. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what's inside of this box. So first thing, of course, you're gonna have your instructions, and then they also give you a recipe book with some juicing recipes, so that's always nice. Now we'll take it out of the styrofoam. Okay, so the first piece here looks like is the main body of first we have here, looks like the cup that the juice is going to go into. And then we have this portion, which is the main part of the juicer. You have a brush here for cleaning the juicer. That's always nice, because one thing I do like about the Cuvings is that it is an easy cleanup. So hopefully this will also be easy cleanup, because that's very important to me as well. All right, this will collect the pulp. And then this is the main body of the juicer. On the top, you'll see the buttons to cut it. You just kind of turn it. It's a turning dial to turn it on and off, reverse. And then we have this, which is the top of the juicer. Actually, it goes this way. So you can see how large the top is. So you can fit so much stuff in there at one time and just put it in there and go. And then this is, of course, where the juice is released. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's all put together. You can see here the top where you would open this up, put your fruits and vegetables in there. You turn it on and off here. And then this is where your juice will collect. You would open it up here. The pulp will come in here. So we are going to make juice, and I will demonstrate a juice recipe. But if you are catching this in my short, then you're gonna have to go to my YouTube video to see the full video. All right, guys, so I am back getting ready to do the juicing portion. I have the juicer set up over here, so you can see it right there. And first we're gonna go through what we're going to be juicing. So we are going to be juicing mango, beetroot, organic carrot, ginger, turmeric, celery, and spinach. So this is what we're gonna make into one delicious juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything, get it all prepared, and we're gonna see how well the new juicer does. I also just wanted to mention really quickly what I'm using to clean my fruits and vegetables. And I am using this veggie wash, and I did get it from Amazon. And then I'm also going to use this food grade hydrogen peroxide. I just want to make sure I get off any type of pesticides or anything like that. So we're going to get them clean and we'll get to juicing. Everything is washed and clean. Look at all these beautiful fruits and veggies. I forgot to mention I am going to use pineapple. So I did cut up the beetroot and everything to make it easier for the juicer, but I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the pineapple smells so good. So let's get to juicing. All right, so one of the things that I loved about this juicer is that you can put multiple things in here at once. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some pineapple, mango, some celery. I'm actually just gonna fill it up. So I'm putting beetroot, celery, I'm gonna go ahead and put this entire lemon. Let's stick some carrots, more beetroot in there, pineapple. All right, let's close it and give it a go. So I've closed it and then I'm going to turn it on. Let's see what happens. All right, there it goes. We have juice coming out, guys. Love it. Working pretty quickly. All right, I'm gonna add some more things then. Okay, so it does stop when you open it up. I'm just putting some more fruits and vegetables in there. All right. Seems to be doing pretty good. All right, let's add some more. Yeah, let's add some spinach in there. So it's making a good amount of juice, as you can see. Wow, that's working really good. Let me add some turmeric and ginger. My cup is getting pretty full, so I'm gonna have to pour that out soon. It's actually producing a lot of juice, so I love that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out, and so that we can have plenty of room for some more juice. All right, I actually just got my cup from my Canoly juicer, since it's bigger. Alright guys, so I'm going to let it finish all the rest of the ingredients, and then I will be back when I'm ready to pour the juices into some bottles. Alright guys, so the juice is done. We've already drunk 2 bottles, well, one being one in Keon. So this is what is left for the next couple days. So that'll give us 1, 2, 3, like 3 days worth of juice. And so I'm so excited. the juicer works really well. I'm gonna see what the cleanup is like. So this is what we're looking like right now. We gotta get everything cleaned up. And so I will let you guys know like what the cleanup is. If the cleanup is easy, honey, love it, love it. So let me clean it up and let's see how that compares, especially to my cubings, which is very easy to clean. So I'll let you know. All right, so the last part of my review is the cleanup process. And I must say that it was really good. The cleanup process was easy, maybe like 7 to 10 minutes to wash them. I just hand washed everything. And as you can see, they are now, all the parts are drying. Was very, very easy to clean. So maybe even easier than my cubings, which is impressive. So yeah, overall the juicing experience was good. I would have to give this probably a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I think the way it processed it, the way you could put everything in at one time, it got a pretty good amount of juice out of it. Cleanup was good. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. So I will link the juicer below if you're interested. Thanks for watching.